Hi YouTube, this is Brittany back with some more videos. This once was Chrono Yoga, it has switched over to Brittany and Yoga, and I'm excited to be back on to offer you all of the practice that I've nuanced since my last videos. Today we're going to start with some shoulder exercises and releasing tension in the neck, and when we're ready we'll find our most comfortable seats to begin tuning in with the breath. Closing the eyes and going inside. Taking deep breaths in. Slow breaths out. Our shoulders are an upper chakra practice, which means a cooler practice. We want that calm, peaceful energy to help balance out the tension of the shoulders. Let's focus on filling the belly as we breathe in, releasing as we breathe out. As we feel the crown of the head lift, create space for the breath. And as we release, feel the seat bones ground, feeling comfort enter the body. Deepening the breath, feeling the rib cage expand on top of the belly as we breathe in. Releasing from the top down as we breathe out. Going a little bit deeper, feeling the chest fill on top of both. One more belly breath. Drawing the hands to heart center after a few Durga breaths to set an intention for today's practice, something that will help ground you on connecting with the practice, connecting with your shoulders and what they need. Once you have a simple intention set, may we reconnect with the breath, ground the palms, and draw our awareness to the shoulders. We're going to start our practice inhaling the shoulders up directly through center to the ears. Exhale, press the shoulders down towards the heart as if through tension. Inhaling up. Exhaling in. Working to keep the shoulders right at the center of the body. Not forward toward the chest, not back towards the back. And keeping the rest of the spine in place as we inhale up. Exhale in. Just one more breath like this. And then we're going to reach the palms out to the side and turn the palms facing up. You'll feel the shoulders reconnect with the upper back. Take a breath into this tension and lift out with the fingertips to create space. On your next inhale, imagine there's tension on your palms and press the palms together overhead. As you exhale, keep this tension and draw the palms down in front of you. Now the tension will come to the back of the palms. Inhale, open up. Exhale, turn the palms up. Feel the shoulders reconnect with the back a few more times. Inhale, press up. Exhale, draw it down and in. Inhale, press out. Exhale, open the palms up, feel the shoulders. And two more. Inhaling up. Exhale in. Inhale, open. Exhale, turn. Last one. Inhale up. Exhale in. Inhale, open. Exhale, turn. And draw the fingertips to the top of the shoulders here. Then we're going to inhale the elbows together at the third eye. Exhale them down towards the belly button. Get any lint off your clothes. Inhale, circle back and around. Exhale, down. Just two more. Last one. We're going to widen the palms back out. Now we're going to turn the palms to face each other and soften the shoulders down the back. Now as we inhale, we're going to press the palms towards one another. Exhale, keep that tension, reach up. Inhale, turn the palms down, press down. Exhale, just turn the palms back forward. Start again. Inhale together. Exhale up. Inhale, press down. Exhale, turn the palms ahead. Two more. Inhale together. Exhale up. Inhale, press down. Exhale, turn ahead. Last one. Inhale together. Exhale up. Inhale, press down. Exhale, turn the palms. Fingertips back to the shoulders. Now we're going to inhale them to the belly button. Exhale, back up to the third eye. Two more. Inhale to the belly button. Exhale to the third eye. Last one. And shaking the shoulders out. We'll let the hands come down to the knees. Now that was all just to realign the shoulders, reconnect them with the upper back. Here we're going to let go of a lot of their tension. The shoulders will hold or find injury or discomfort when they're holding a lot of tension instead of just loosening up and letting the flexibility in. This is a Kundalini exercise to help that happen. We'll ground the palms and close the eyes. We want to focus right up at the forehead, in the middle of the forehead. And as we inhale, draw the shoulders up to the ears again. As we exhale, just drop them back down. Inhaling up. Exhale, surrender. You're going to keep flowing with this for about a minute. Just focused on the breath. Focused on release. After the shoulders drop, complete your breath. Taking as much time as you need before inhaling back up. Let's get 3 more. Letting the shoulders fall back down through center. And then we'll gently flutter the eyes open. We're just going to tend to the neck for a little bit. Draw the chin to the chest. We're going to inhale the right ear over the right shoulder. Exhale back to center. Inhale left to left shoulder. Now exhale, roll the head back to center. Chin lifted. Inhale right back to right. Exhale back to center. Inhale left to left. Exhale center with the chin to chest. Inhale right ear, right shoulder. Exhale center, chin to chest. Inhale left ear, left shoulder. Exhale center, back of the head to the middle of the back. Inhale right ear, right shoulder. Exhale back to back. Inhale left to left. Exhale back to back. Inhale right to right. Exhale, head back to center. Adjust your hair if you need to. And reconnect with the breath. Now that gently warmed up our shoulders, we're going to do a little bit of shoulder integrating with our Chaturangas. Now I'm going to offer you 3 variations of Chaturanga, and this is going to be our practice of the day, honoring the variations that work for you today. They all build on one another. I've been doing this for 5 years. It's my job. It's easy for me to hold alignment, be healthy in all 3. I want you to honor your body and feel what feels easy for you today, knowing that dis-ease is simply lack of ease. So as we are coming on to the hands and knees, to honor the shoulders, we want the shoulders to be right over top of the wrists. With the shoulders over the wrists, press through the palms and walk your knees back so the body's straight. And then if you lift your knees, you'd be in a plank. And this is what we call knee, chest, chin chaturanga. Your knees will draw down, say you're in your plank. Your knees come down, your chest come down, then your chin come down. Now notice the shoulders. The shoulders stay over the elbows and in line with the wrists. That's what lets the shoulders soften down the back and protect the body. Now as we inhale, we can slither the body forward to a baby cobra. Just kind of open up the back, let the shoulders come down the back, and then we're going to press onto the knees, through the hands, and draw the body back up. Let's do that 2 more times. As we inhale, press through the earth below us, come out of the shoulders. As we exhale, knees, chest, chin to the mat. Inhale, slither the body forward, soften the shoulders down the back. Exhale, draw back up. Inhale, press through the palms. Exhale, knees, chest, chin. Inhale, slither the body down, shoulders back, cobra. Exhale, back. And now we're going to come up and we're going to do a little bit of a more difficult variation here. Now the key is not letting the elbows come out. I see it all the time in class. The elbows come out. It starts to dislocate your shoulders, your elbows, your wrists. No bueno for the body. So what we're going to do, keep the shoulders over the wrists and even let them come a little bit forward. And then we're going to inhale, bend the elbows as far down as they can go, staying activated towards each other so that the arms are actually coming in. Because once they start opening up again, no bueno. We'll do 3 of those. Shoulders ahead, we take a deep breath in, still push through the palms. Breathe out, keep the length through the tippy top of your head as you lower down. You can't lower anymore. Inhale, press up. Exhale, draw in. Let's get one more of those. Inhale, press up. Exhale, draw in. Now we'll lower down and come up to a king cobra. Soften the shoulders down the back and straighten the arms. Take a nice full breath. And we'll draw back onto the hands and the knees for our full Chaturanga. Now again, if this doesn't feel nourishing, don't do it. You can continue with either of the other variations that did. For those of us who'd like a little bit more, we're going to draw off the knees in our plank. Keep the tail tucked, the heart leaf lifted. Keep pressing through the palms. Inhale, shoulders draw ahead. Exhale, elbows draw in. Inhale, roll over the toes, come into that king cobra. Exhale, back to plank. Inhale, press through the palms. Exhale, shoulders ahead, elbows in. Inhale, king cobra. Exhale, back, plank. Last one. Inhale, press through the palms. Exhale, shoulders ahead, elbows in. Inhale, king cobra. Exhale, back onto the hands and knees. We'll take a seat back onto the butt. Now, I'm losing a little bit of breath here, so I know that this is a nice heating exercise. Let's cool the body down so that we're taking that tension off of the shoulders and we're not leaving them with so much heat. As we're sitting here, just roll the shoulders and start connecting that roll to the breath. Inhaling ahead. Exhaling back in. And a few more. Breathing in through the teeth. Cooling the body down. Let's get two more of those. I'll go in the opposite way for a few breaths. You can also inhale through the tongue. Noticing what feels better for you, or Sitkali or Sitkari, no matter. And last one. Now when you're ready, let's take a moment to meditate together. This was a short practice, so we won't need a full savasana, but we'll take a few moments meditating just to soothe the shoulders, let them take in the effects of our practice. Closing the eyes, finding that comfortable seat, taking any fidgets away you need. Reconnecting with that 3-part breath. Belly fills, ribs fill, chest fills. Release from the chest, ribs, belly. Belly fills, ribs fill, chest fills. Release from the chest, ribs, belly. A few more times on your Shoulders are part of our throat chakra, neck, part of the throat chakra, all balanced by an open energy, accepting, embracing of all perspectives, to help us sit in the stillness necessary to embrace the harder perspectives, As we inhale all the way up to the collarbones, we're going to start to hold the breath, retain the breath for just as long as feels comfortable. Not letting the mind decide. Asking the body to hold it for as long as feels comfortable and letting it decide. Let's get one more breath in, retaining the breath. When you're ready, let's draw the hands to the heart. Take a moment just to feel the mind-body connection. We set an intention at the beginning of this practice, and noticing the moments it came the easiest to us, and these moments can teach us how our mind that set this intention connects with our body that held this intention today. And once we've garnished some insight there, and we bow into the light of understanding inside all of us that is the same, of bliss, of connection to a shared reality, to awareness. Namaste. Thank you all for practicing with me, and I hope to see you all soon. Bye.